This is how the turkeys sleep during the day when they're here. They're safe over here. They go up on some branches. Or they just find a spot on the ground and just sleep. They don't have to worry as much over here. They're a little bit more relaxed sleeping here on my property. Okay, guys. Well, snowstorm is about to hit, and I'm hoping the turkeys get up to the trees and in the woods before this storm hits here. We might be getting a foot of snow. Okay, guys, get enough food in you. You might not be down for a couple of days, but a turkey can last over a week without food and water. But over here, they don't have to worry as much. They don't have to go far. All right, we gotta go. Bye.